guys. I thought we were gonna be racing.
All right, everybody, welcome back to the Enebo Racing YouTube channel. We've got a very exciting day today. We're down here at Reading Motorsports Park for the first day of the Redwood Rally. We're almost called up in the lanes. We got the car all prepped up, ready to go. Monica got the tires switched over, so we're looking good. We got the fam, we got Katie, my mom, and Monica. They're my mom and sister are vagabonds for the trip, and then Monica here is my co-pilot. And we got Ben down in the convertible down the way, but it was about a 450 mile trip, 420 mile trip down here. So we drove the car down with the trailer, got everything a-okay. Only had one hiccup on the road, and we think we figured that out. So shouldn't be running hot or anything, but about to make the first rip here. We get 2 passes today, and then we gotta load our shit up, and we're driving all the way to Eureka, California to race at Samoa Drag Strip tomorrow, but it's about a 3-hour drive, 170 miles or so through the redwoods. So super fun, happy to be out here. We got some friends from Eugene that made it down here as well, some OG Mustang homies, Matt and Austin, and yeah, we're hoping first rip today, set a good tone for the trip, hoping to run in the 11s every day. So we're gonna see if we can make that happen, but otherwise, I'm gonna put you guys away here, and we're gonna go make some licks. All right, people, we are ready to roll. We got boost control turned on. Gonna make our first rip of the Redwood Rally, baby, let's go. Launching off the 2-step, get my data logs. Perfect. We ripped it, we bogged off the line. I did not slip the clutch enough, so we're gonna go back, check the data log, see what kind of boost I was running. That's gonna be a key factor here. And good pass though. Hey, we made it down. I bogged. It's my only complaint about the pass, guys. So, yeah. We'll go back, check some shit out, and see what we gotta do. Oh shoot, I didn't put my flag on. I'm gonna pull over and do that. I was gonna see if I can catch Ben racing. Yeah, he is there. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, what do we got, Mom?
We got Ben and this other guy, 39.
Really?
Yeah, you're like
That's what I
right
thought.
under
Yeah,
it.
so I'm 200 or to tie, you know?
And you're
it's a whole
third,
week race.
Kayla.
But
Yeah, you're third of
You're
them.
third.
I ran a 11:92. Not again. Man, classic.
There's Ben. Here, Mom. The other way?
All right, we got pass number 2 here. Ben's in front of me.
Come on, babe. You did it? Come on, baby. Come on.
Go! Let's go! That's a rip! Woo! Dash was going yellow. We were shifting on time. Good launch. I think it was good. I think it was a good pass, guys. Pulling her down. Nice. All right. 2 passes. I think that's probably gonna do it. We'll see what we ran here. We'll see how it ran.
Woo! Better. You did good. Better. Good. You beat it. You did good. You beat it. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Woo! Let's go. 1167. Let's go, boys. Let's go. First pit stop. Made it here with the car. Ben and I both chilling here at Players Pizza. We got a long drive out for the next leg of the rally. Got about a 3-hour drive, a couple hundred miles. 100, actually it's like 160 miles, so not too bad. But we're gonna follow each other over the pass. It's pretty gnarly, and we'll go from there. But we got some cool cars rolling in. Players Pizza's taking care of us. Got some goodie bags. Got the kids out here having a blast. Alright guys, we're stuck on the side of the road here. We got people finally getting into their cars. That's a good sign. Hey, hey. Alright, fully stopped, car off.
Okay, we're ready.
Alright, looks like
Very slow though.
we got some shit going on here. People have been out of their cars, it looks like. Beautiful little Ben. Yeah, maybe Ben will catch up. Hopefully. Oh yeah, hopefully Ben makes it on this run.
What do you mean?
Like, hopefully he's in our line of people.
Oh, I know.
I don't know, he's really waiting. So, hopefully we see Ben coming up here soon. We're probably a good 5 minutes ahead of him. So, he's got a little bit of time, but car's been making all right. We got 72 miles left, an hour and 25 minutes. But, yeah, this is weird. We got the Redwood Rally crew. First race day. Mission success. Ben almost ran a PB. I almost ran a PB today. We're in pretty good standings for what we're doing. And we got all sorts of race cars here. Everyone's gonna be watching over everybody's stuff. Much it's locked down, but we're dialed. Cody, loving the trip so far.
Cody's doing good.
Doing good, Cody. Heck yeah.
This should be a good battle.
All right, more race cars.
These guys big tires in the back. You can get those on the.
Yeah, those are like
They're knobbies, ain't it?
Look at the damn.
What are they fucking called?
yeah.
Like
No, they're like damn mud boggers.
Yeah.
Can do's?
No. Oh, buddy.
Get them on the road.
We got the late night drivers here. Got the red Corvette. That thing's awesome. Hey, he's gonna come